Places, everyone! It's starting!
Where we all live is such a happy place. We play all day with a big smile on our face.
I solve all kinds of mysteries, none too big and none too small.
And we are always bickering, although we are friends after all.
I am never wrong.
Not just trying to ruin this song!
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are! Girls!
I will take the little ones
I will take the little ones
on a lovely little trip.
a lovely trip.
Psst, elephant.
Elephants big and not so small, we can do anything at all.
We can sing and play all day.
I've forgotten what you say.
Oh, look at them! Aren't they wonderful? Aren't they?
Where we all live is such a happy place. So why not let us put a big smile upon your face?
Scouter, are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No.
Scouter, are we there yet?
No, no, and no one is allowed to ask, are we there yet, anymore.
Scouter, when will we get there?
Yes, when will we get there, Scouter? When will we get there?
Uh-oh. Children, we are resting here. Now then, into your shells for a nice nap.
Oh!
We are going to see Hippopotamus at his house across the lake. But how do we get to him? How will we cross the lake? We're not sea turtles, you know. Oh, dear me. The children were so looking forward to meeting him. Ah, look at this. What do we have here? A car, a boat, and a motorcycle. Now then, I'm sure that one of these three things can get us across the lake safely. But which one? The car? No, no, no. You can't cross the lake in a car. Then perhaps we could use the motorcycle. No, no, no. You can't cross the lake on a motorcycle. Which means that the correct answer must be we will cross the lake in the boat. All right then, children. Rest time is over. We are going in the boat.
Hooray! Hooray! Into the boat! Scouter, are we there yet?
Not really. I think it's time for another nap.
Oh, not nap time again.
The truth is, the boat's not moving at all. How will we get there? What shall we do? Ah, look at this. What do we have here? Perhaps one of these will help us to move the boat in the water. A fishing rod? No, a fishing rod is for catching fish. A swimming ring? No, that is for swimming. Perhaps these oars. Yes, with these oars we can row the boat across the lake. Children, out you come.
Scouter, are we there yet?
No, but we will be very soon.
Scouter, are we there yet?
No,
Are we there yet?
no,
Are we there yet?
yes.
Hooray!
Hooray! Oh, finally you're here!
Yes, finally.
Yay! Yippee!
Bye-bye.